go inside at nanghirap ako ng gunting. Hindi kaya ng aking hindi kaya ba ng aking ngipin? Grabe ng hotdog na to, oy. Buong pamilya, no? Magluto ko lang ng spaghetti, almusal, pananghalian, at hapunan. And take note, pwede pa ito next year. Imagine that. It's really good. Hindi kaya isubo. Like ko. In fairness, napakasarap. Tamang-tama. Imagine that pag nagluto ko ng spaghetti, just order is by online, one like this. Sarap. Diba? Puro wine. Mga Jobbers, magandang mga ibig po sa inyo lahat ng Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Andito naman ang inyong lingkod, the breadwinning award is goes to you. May gabi shoutout sa ating mga auntie, always first and sexy. Syempre, we always inspired, never expired. I give you like tour. Magtutour tayo, punta tayo sa Great Wall of China. Yes, alam mo ba ang Great Wall of China? Yes, sila unang hindi ko alam yung story, pag-aaralan ko muna. Punta ako dito. Nagawa ng vlog kasi syempre it's a content din. And of course, the beautiful ambience ng Korea. Ba, ipapasyal kita kahit sa gabi, di ba? Kahit sa dilim, kitang-kita ka pa rin. Imagine that in the daytime, in the night time, lalo na pag ganitong oras, nako, super liwanag talaga. I think gumawa na akong vlog in here before many times. Yes, nung nagbibinatilyo pa lang ako. Yes, dito ako nakipaghabulan at dito ako nagtatago-taguan. Yan, dito sa Great Wall of China. Yes, dito rin ako nag-date. Yes, unang date. No, I'm only joking. No, wala pa akong dinate dito. And it was really good. Ito yung Great Wall of China. Imagine that kahit hindi ka na lumipad ng China, meron dito sa Korea. Yes, yung mga hari, yung mga prinsipe, dito sila naghahabulan. Oh, napakaganda. Imagine like to the left, to the right. Imagine like under the tunnel, para kang asa deep blue sea, like the ocean deep. I wanted to show you my feelings. It's really good. Imagine that they put like a star, parang like a giant star, make a star, and of course they put some Korean words in here, and of course eto pa, and of course right in here they put the planet Earth. Diba? Planet Earth it's real good. And of course, it means dito, let's grow together. Let's be loved together forever and ever after. Yes, and heavily after. And of course, right here, look at the beautiful lights. Talaga, imagine that kay liit lang ng wall na to, kaya para maraming dumadayo dito. Ewan ko lang baka, wala naman si Nagbembang nag-ana baka, but it's full of love. Alright mga Jobbers, oh my god, I feel hungry and I give you a little bit more chat. It's full moon. They said it's a full moon and the ghost day coming. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? I give you like a little bit road trip tour, and of course I'm gonna inconvenience store sa ating 724 hours na paboritong convenience store to get some food. We're gonna choose something like a cheap at very healthy. Siyempre, yun yung ating goal natin. Like if abang andito tayo sa ibang bansa, someday magiging store na lang ang buhay natin. Yes, ang ating road trip. Alam mo ba? Ang Korea is #1 yan in technology, and of course social transformation, transportation, and of course si Android, ang kanilang mga plastic surgeon at talaga at ang pangpa-beauty, and of course ang kanilang mga food. So malapit na ako dito. And of course, dito lang ako nakatira. Left to the left like to the right. We're gonna try to find out kung ano makakakain natin. Kasi it's a little bit like early. Meron akong chance magawa ng vlog. Yes, kumusta po kayong lahat? Luzon, Visayas. Tumingin lang sa ating mga job because always fresh and sexy. Eto, we're gonna go in there. Dito sa ating paboritong inconvenience store. We're gonna go get something to eat. Yes, we're gonna try to get some juice, some food. And oh, it's really good. Let's noodles. I'm thinking about ikot muna kayo. Ikot muna kita. Or in it they have some frozen food and they have some beverages or drinks. Lahat na. Oh my god, and they have some nuts. People like some noodles they have in here. Wow. I think let me get some noodles. They have meron silang hot water. I tried this before. Oh, itong sadyang one, it's really good. Tomba, I never tried this. This one is, let me check it out. Laki naman ang hotdog na to. Let's try to get this one. This have somewhat 2-4. But let me try this one, the big one. But yeah. I'm gonna put like a hot water. This one, I thought it was ano siya. Kala ko para sa spaghetti. So, I think there's a water that's in it. So, I don't know. I just confused like this one. It might be like para sa spaghetti or something. Or just a regular ramen. But it's okay. This one, the flavor. And I put the cheese. Oh, it's really good. I smell good. And right in this one. Right. Oh, it's really good. It tastes like it's creamy, I think. And then I'm gonna cover ko muna siya. And then look at the big hot dog. Oh my god, finally mga jobber guys, napagod ako sa ating road trip right in here in Korea. It's okay, someday is magiging istorya na ng ating buhay. And of course, ang lalaki naman ng hotdog na to. Kasi parang buong pamilya pwede nang kainin ito eh. Ang aking mga kapatid ba sa Pilipinas. Oy, hindi ko pa ininit to. But it's alright, this one is, I'm gonna try this one. It's really good I think. And look at the beautiful ambience. And of course, habang kakain tayo. And of course, right here, it's really good. And it was, I think they put some, meron some cheese. And then we're gonna try this one. Ang ating road trip in KR. Wow, okay. Wow, it's really good. And I think this one is like, para sa spaghetti or something. But it's soupy. You're not saying that we isang bite sa'yo, aking mga kaibigan. Sarap. Oh. Ang sarap. Like imagine that even all the late at night, mga 7-24 hours, open ang kanilang mga convenience store dito. And the hot dog. It's really good. I tried it first time. Parang imagine parang kalating kilo ata ito. Imagine kalating kilo ata ito. This would like cost like 2,500 won. Parang hirap niyang buksan. Paano ito binubuksan? Kailangan ng gunting o kailangan niyang nguyain? I don't know how to open, but I'm gonna try it. Maybe. Ano ba yan? Ang hirap ko ito. Wala kasi sa buntok na ito. Oh. It might be later. Ang sarap. Mas masarap siya pag may soup talaga siya. But I really confused kung pwede siyang like parang spaghetti. And then yung hot dog, I'm gonna try. Hindi ko siya alam buksan eh. Parang ang hirap niyang buksan. So, ingi ako ng kawi. Charan, eto. Pahirapan pa pagkain ng hotdog na sobrang laki kasi. Ayan. Ginawa ko ang go inside at nanghirap ako ng gunting. Hindi kaya ng aking hindi kaya ba ng aking ngipin. Grabe ng hotdog na to, oy. Buong pamilya, no? Magluto ko ng spaghetti, almusal, pananghalian, at hapunan. And take note, pwede pa ito next year. Imagine that. It's really good. Hindi kaya isubo. Like ko. Mm. In fairness, napakasarap. Mm. Tamang-tama. Mm. Imagine that pag nagluto ko ng spaghetti, just all you is buy only one like this. Mm. Sarap. Mm. Wala akong pantulak. I need some water, but it's alright. Inom na lang akong tubig sa bahay ko. Well, actually mga tapag, hindi ko kayang ubusin. Well, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And of course, I give you like a little bit more tour. And look at that beautiful ambience. Well, someone saying, Korea, this is your Korean angel, never tried to share my story. Ang ating ramyun at ang ating jumbo hotdog. Paalam!